Michigan's no-fault insurance can be super confusing. So let's break down what it really means for you.
So, who pays up after a crash? Well, the answer isn't always obvious. Let's see what no fault means. The heart of this system is personal injury protection. You'll hear it called PIP. It covers your medical bills.
This covers the big stuff, like hospital bills and surgery, plus ongoing recovery needs, like physical therapy. But here's the catch. How much is covered all depends on the PIP limit you picked for your policy.
And it's not just about medical bills. No fault has other benefits that can really help you out.
If you can't work because of your injuries, you can get 85% of your lost wages reimbursed. You can also get up to $20 a day to help with chores around the house, like cooking.
Okay, so what isn't covered? This is where a lot of people get caught by surprise.
Here's the big one: car damage. Your PIP covers you, but it does not cover your actual car.
And things like towing or a rental car? Nope, not unless you bought extra, specific coverage for that. So what if the other driver was clearly at fault for wrecking your car? What happens then?
You can file what's called a mini tort claim, but it only covers up to $3,000.
Right. So, with all these benefits, which insurance company actually cuts the check? There's a specific order. First up, it's your own policy. If you don't have one, then you go to a relative's policy.
And that right there is the whole point of no fault. Your own insurance pays, even if your car wasn't involved. Okay, we've talked about bills and car damage, but what about pain and suffering? Can you sue?
Yes, you can, but it's not automatic. You have to prove you have a threshold injury first.
A threshold injury is basically the legal bar your injury has to clear before you can file a lawsuit.
The law breaks it down into 3 types. The most common one is serious impairment of body function.
This means the injury has to seriously affect your ability to lead your normal, everyday life.
All this brings up a really important question. Is your coverage actually enough? You gotta know before you need it.